MZ. Welcome to Menumiz How to series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to update prices. Follow these simple steps to adjust prices.
Log in to your menumiz account using your credentials and click on the digital menu section. Find the dish or item you want to edit. Use the search bar to quickly locate the item if needed. Click the drop-down menu of the dish card and select Settings. On the left-hand side, click Price. Adjust the price as needed. To add variations, create a new size or type example, small, and set its price. If applicable, add the cost of goods sold. Click Update to save your changes.
And that's it. Your menu item's price has been successfully updated.
Menumiz, digitally yours.